The cryptocurrency market has experienced tremendous growth in recent years. With an influx of major corporations and financial institutions, the expansion of blockchain technology and increased public acceptance is helping the sector reach new heights.
The cryptocurrency industry is currently still recovering from a massive paradigm shift that happened when both FTX and Terra Luna collapsed in 2022. And that really shook confidence sort of around the entire industry and around the market, and particularly for regulators. So the critical issues facing it are really now about adoption and also where does cryptocurrency fit in the financial landscape. When people think about cryptocurrency, what they should really be thinking of is the overlooked part, the technology behind it, blockchain. And the ideals that was based on, which is decentralization. The idea of cryptocurrency and blockchain is control over your own finances. The idea is that you don't have to rely on a middleman to make your transactions. And then there's another part of it, which is tracking and tracing. Blockchain is inherently transparent. Imagine the ease of tracking and tracing supply lines. There are so many benefits that can come from that. But if we move back to really the innovation side of things, in order for crypto to really grow and expand, there needs to be something that feels revolutionary but also easy to use.
As decentralized technologies continue to evolve, governments across the globe are looking for ways to regulate digital currencies.
Lawmakers are currently looking at it using their traditional instruments, right? Particularly the Securities Act of 1933 is something that the Securities Exchange Commission is particularly using to try and say, hey, this is how you should register with us, and actually this fits crypto. However, crypto and blockchain are new, and they're innovative technologies, they're diverse. There is no one size fits all for what this technology is. So it's really important for lawmakers to get some hands-on experience, to hold these consultations, to hold roundtables as is being requested, and to come into these talks with an open-minded approach. But if both sides can find a way to work together, then true regulation can come into place. They can work out, okay, crypto can fit under these systems, but we need new systems for these parts. MiCA will be going into place, hopefully in 2024, and as we watch this unfold, we will now be able to see exactly what requirements all of these locations have for what kind of liquidity you have to have, what kind of compliance officers you need in place, and how you can therefore register and say, I am a virtual asset service provider. And these will be precedents that will hopefully play a large role in the United States, where currently they're just sort of relying on court case rulings.
When paired with advances in regulatory technology, these new frameworks could help to root out bad actors, bringing more security and safety to the sector.
Innovations play a significant role in making customer onboarding to crypto exchanges safer and more secure. Strong security measures like two-factor authentication add an extra layer of security in addition to traditional passwords and usernames. This is the way to enhance trust in the platform. The use of biometric data to authenticate customers helps prevent unauthorized access and identity thefts. This is especially relevant in times of rising role of artificial intelligence and deepfakes.
With hackers on the rise, secure storage solutions for digital assets have become paramount. New innovations in information and technology are helping to provide users with safer, more user-friendly options to protect from theft and loss.
Crypto storage solutions evolved significantly, from simple software wallets, which were vulnerable to hacks and malware attacks, to the complex offline storage services. Hardware wallets, for example, they are offline and disconnected from the internet and offer the highest level of security, like institutional grade of security. In addition to hardware wallets and cold storage, there are also custodial services which offer secure storage and management of the cryptocurrency assets. Today, crypto space is already a home of numerous fintechs, startups, innovative businesses and venture capitals who shape future and make innovations come true. With our lives moving into virtual realities more and more, soon we will be able to do more there than just transfer the money.
In addition to boosting technology and security, knowledge plays a crucial role in expanding adoption and in ensuring long-term success and mainstream acceptance of digital currencies.
Knowledge and safety are two of the biggest pillars for mainstream adoption. Crypto is complicated, it has a steep learning curve, and there's a lot of effort going into creating educational programs right now. And you'll even find some universities are beginning to offer courses on the technology powering the cryptocurrency industry. Like knowledge, safety is also paramount to adoption. Nobody wants to wing it when they're dealing with finances. So at Daily Coin, we carefully vet all of our sources, and we spend a lot of time talking about what articles we're going to cover so that we don't cover anything that's speculative. In the crypto industry, there's a lot of hype, and prices are easily influenced by content and social media. So we cover prices, but only through a lens that puts things into perspective and brings attention to safety.
Bringing new opportunities to users and businesses. Developments in next-generation financial technology and information will continue to demystify and normalize digital assets into the future.
Firms are improving their interfaces and making it easier for users to come on board. Information about crypto is becoming more mainstream. There are even some larger banking apps beginning to offer intros to crypto. Digital assets will be normalized in society when accessing and using them is so easy that people don't even know that they're doing it. In the future, I think there's going to be a lot less conversation about speculation and price movement and more about the technology powering this industry. Blockchain is a big deal, but it's just a foundation. There's so much more that can come from this technology. Many facets of businesses could be improved with the transparency and the accuracy it offers. I anticipate people will spend more time thinking about how they use the technology to perform everyday tasks rather than focusing on price movements in the future.